Hello guys, so welcome to the session on InfyTQ. So today I'm here to discuss about the Infosys certification sample paper for the qualifying round. So this particular sample paper, it is available in the InfyTQ dashboard. So that is infytq.onwingspan.com. So here the details are given. Just click on the start. So please read the instructions for those who are appearing for the InfyTQ test, and here the all the related instructions are given. There is a 1 marks and negative zero point 0.5. So I'll start the test. Okay, the full screen switching tab during the contest is not allowed. So these are the sections. So here one thing you can observe, the reference document, language reference document. So so they are given the reference document that you can use for the Python. The syntax they are given, as you can see, for the variables, for the print statement, then for the selection, the if statement, if else if ladder, with examples, nested if. You can use this particular syntax in your while giving the test iterations: while loop, for loop, break, continue, list, append, insert, pop, remove, sort, sort the list, reverse, slice. The syntax they are given here: the tuple, dictionary, libraries, string. So here the library they are given: random, the syntax, import the random, the library, time, math, then exception, try, except, finally, functions. So the syntax for the function is given: positional arguments, keyword arguments, the default arguments, variable number of arguments, variable scope, the global variable, local variable, package, file handling, close, opening file, close file, reading from a file, regular expressions, lambda expression, iterators. So guys, you can refer this language reference document while giving the test. Now comes to these sections. So you can appear any section. So just I'll go through the aptitude section. So here you can see a sample questions. So you can see the sample questions, and you can also switch to questions. There are 10 questions. So first try to attempt at least 7 to 8 questions by 12 to 15 minutes. In 12 to 15 minutes you try to attempt the question. Okay, so you can directly even jump to the fourth question also. So the size, once you select, you can see the size is large, circle size. Okay, so what you do then, again you switch to the database section, and in the database section also you can attempt the questions. So here also you please spend minimum 15 minutes, 15 to 16-minute time in the database. You can save. Okay, so here I have already completed first question. So try to spend more time here, 16 to 18 minutes. Okay, then means at least you, out of 10 you cover at least 7 to 8 questions here. In the database also 7 to 8 questions, and you jump to the programming section. So in the programming section also you are having a 20 questions, right? So you try to attempt the questions. Suppose if you are finding difficulty in the question, so what you do, just skip, don't waste the time, because it is very difficult to like cover 40 questions in 80 minutes, because 40 into, suppose if you spend 2 minutes for each question, it will be 80 minutes. It is difficult. So uh, try to cover try to attempt 7 to 8 questions in each section. Aptitude 7 questions, database 7, and in Python 14 15 questions. So around 28 29 30 questions you can attempt perfectly. Then once you get the time, you can cover the remaining questions. Okay, so that strategy you need to use, otherwise it is very difficult to like because they are mentioned consistently, the you need to score. Again, I am switching to aptitude section. Okay, so you need to use complete this flexibility. You can select either aptitude section, programming section, but try to cover all the sections. Even you can use the document for the Python. Okay, so even if you find some any difficulty, you can just read the instructions also. Okay, just it was a sample test, so here I'm not like spending more time. And the one more thing is that the facts FAQ for this InfTQ certification, in the FAQ you can see here for the qualifying round, can I change my selected programming? No, you cannot change the programming. Suppose if you are selected Python, you should go for that particular language. What is the deadline for registration? It is already completed. Okay, so the main thing is yeah, how many attempts are allowed? Only one attempt. Then what is the test format? So this already you know, 20 10 10. Then is there negative marking? Yes, 0.25 deducted. This is very important, guys. What is the cutoff score? Is there any sectional cutoff? Yes. Infosys reserves the right not to disclose the cutoff score to the student. See, guys, here they are not disclosing the cutoff score, but each student is required to perform consistently in all the three sections. Suppose if you are done good in the Python and database, and if you are not done good in the aptitude, then it is very difficult to qualify for the next round, because depend upon the student performance also, they will decide the cutoff score. So try to like attempt consistently. You need to perform all in all the sections. Okay, at least you need to score above average marks. So where do I need to present to take the qualifier round examination? You okay, so the examination guidelines, you can you already know all these system compatibility. That is for i3 processor and 4 GB RAM minimum it is required. So fully functional webcam and the browsers and all. Okay, so uh, please go through this all the guidelines. Okay, okay, so in the next video I'm going to discuss some last year previous year question paper. Okay, thank you.